Subscribe to Drama YT and press the bell icon to get the latest videos first of the all. Hey guys, how are you? It's K2 and welcome back to Drama YT. After finished watching the story of Minglan, I am in just love with the smart female leads. I am so over the dramas which frustrate the hell out of me. But watching dramas with some smart OTs, whether it is in court politics or scheming to get our love back, gives me a lot of good vibes. And some of you guys also requested this topic, so here in this video, I'm going to talk about my top 10 Chinese dramas with smart female leads. As always, don't forget to check out the description box for all the timelines. Until now, you must be aware that where and how to watch all your favorite C-dramas, and if not, just please don't be dumbfounded. Just search any of the drama call or Kissassin websites on your web and you will get to watch all of your dramas for free. Just give this video a like and do comment below which drama list you want to watch next. Now let's get to it. Number 10. Princess Agents. The story takes place during the chaotic times of Wei, where innocent citizens are often kidnapped and turned into slaves. Slave girl Chuxia was thrown into a forest along with other slaves and becomes the next hunting target for the rich lords. She is then saved by the prince of Yanbei, Yanshun. Afterward, she is brought into a powerful family of Wu Wen and witnesses their bloody power struggle. Seeing this, she swears to take her younger sister and flee from the situation. However, she catches the attention of Wu Wenyu and undergoes strict training while building a sense of companionship with Yanshun. This drama focuses on Chuxiao's life beliefs and her struggle to survive in a cruel and unfair world. Number 9. Legend of Fuayo. Adopted as an orphan, Fuayo served as a slave for the Xuanyuan sect in Taiwan Kingdom. After a series of tragedies, she journeyed across the land searching to lift the curse that blighted her life. Along the way, she meets the crown prince of Taishuan, Jiangshun Wuzi, and falls in love with him. Together they tackle many political issues in the Five Kingdoms and unearth secrets regarding her birth. Number 8. Arsenal Military Academy. Xixiang joins the army in her brother's stead by pretending to be a man. She becomes classmates with the wealthy Gu Yanzhen and the calm Xin Junshan. Through their rigorous training, the three form a bond to become comrades, all while Xixiang tries to keep her cover. After many incidents, Xixiang earns the respect of her peers and superiors. She also becomes the object of affections of the two men in her lives. The Japanese military stations more forces in the northeast region, causing the young heroes to engage in a battle as they uncover a big conspiracy. Number 7. Falling into Your Smile. Student Tong Yao makes two vows: to never be in a relationship with someone in the same field and to make up for the Chinese League of Legends. When Tong Yao earns her spot as the first formal female player in the China's professional league, she catches the attention of an elite team captain. Facing doubts and inconveniences, she meets each challenge with her own persistence and her teammates' support. After much effort, what will become of her vows? Will she stand on the world stage to make up for the 6 years of regret? Will she avoid a romantic entanglement within the e-sport world? Number 6. Forever Love. A story that follows two people's brave pursuit of love from their campus days to their humble beginnings as they enter the workplace to chase after their dreams together. Xiaolinxi's senior year is full of radiance while Jiang Zhenhan's is in peril. Jiang Zhenhan is doing everything he can to earn money and ends up becoming the tutor of a very unwillingly Xiaolinxi, who still hasn't forgotten their terrible first meeting when the two felt love for the first time. It was just so sweet and pure. It's the kind of love that you want to profess to the world, but it wasn't until after their exams that their feelings become more clear. Just as they wished, Xiaolinxi and Jiang Zhenhan are admitted to the same university. From their youth to adulthood, from the school to the workplace, from a school uniform to a wedding dress, they have each other as a lifelong companion. Number 5. Go-Go Squid. A cute romance between an adorable singer who develops a crush on a guy that she's too scared to approach. He is a genius in the field of computer engineering and a legend in the world of professional gaming. It is late evening when Hang Shanyan walks into an internet cafe. While helping her cousin wash the shop, Tong Nian catches just a glimpse of Hang Shanyan and immediately falls head over heels for him. She is usually brave, outgoing, and has tens of thousands of followers from singing covers online. But she fumbles whenever she encounters him. She is used to interviews but can't even utter a word when speaking to him. He is cold, hard to reach, and not the type of guy to be interested in girls. but Tong Nian's unique personality and her persistent ways to get close to him begin to catch his attention. Number 4. The Romance of Tiger and Rose. Having finally sold a TV series script, aspiring screenwriter Chen Xiaoxian soon falls under the scrutiny of the main lead, who refuses to act out the role. Wanting to make her script successful, she starts rewriting, but while taking a nap, she is transported into her own story, becoming the third princess, Chen Xianshan, a side character killed off in the third episode by the main lead, Prince Han Shuo. Armed with the knowledge of her own script, Xiaoxian is determined to stay alive and find her way back home. Number 3. The Long Ballad. The year is 626 CE and the realm and its political center Chang'an are second to its core by the Xuanwu Gate incident, a successful palace coup to take charge of the Tang dynasty. A scheming prince leads the blood coup and kills the family of Li Changyi during the raid, although she manages to escape. Now the prince has placed himself on the imperial throne and rules as Emperor Taizong. Li Changyi has her mind firmly set on revenge and musters a powerful army intent on overthrowing the new emperor. But her plans are thrown into disarray when she suffers an unexpected defeat against the armies of Eastern Turki Khanate. The victorious general Asina Sun decides to keep her in his service, making her his military strategist as he looks to pursue his own military goals. The duo forms a formidable military partnership, and over time, she finds herself falling for her captor, and he also starts developing feelings for her. Number 2. Story of Yanxi Palace. In the 18th century Beijing, during the 6th year of Qianlong's reign, Wei Yingliu enters the Forbidden City as their embroider to investigate the truth behind her older sister's rape and murder, believing that the imperial guard Fusha Fuheng to be the prime suspect. Yingluo schemingly approaches her sister, Empress Fusha Rongin, and is transferred to work as her maid. However, the kind-hearted Empress quickly takes a liking to Yingliu's street-smart and plucky attitude, teaching her to read and write, becoming her benefactor, while Fusha Fuheng falls in love with her and supports her investigation. Realizing that the Fusha siblings are innocent of the crime, Yingluo moves her attention to the other people in the palace in hopes of finding the perpetrator, all while protecting the Empress from the harem's conspiracies as she rises through the ranks. Number 1. The Story of Minglan. Set in the northern Song dynasty, this story follows Seng Minglan, an unfavored concubine-born sixth daughter of an official. After losing her mother at a young age, Minglan is then raised by her parental grandmother. Growing up, she learns to hide her true genuine self and use crafty and cunning methods in order to survive the tough conditions where family members are plotting against each other and where no actual family love exists. She then meets Gu Tengye, the second son of a rich Marquis household, who is supposed to inherit wealth from both the parents and a noble title. Unlike Minglan, Gu Tengye is straightforward with his actions and never hides his true self, causing him to fall victim to all the planning and plotting against him, where he ends up losing everything. Minglan and Gu Tengye join forces, and through cunning schemes and daring endeavors, they both rise in position and work to obtain justice from those that have wronged them. So that was it guys, the video ends here. I hope you have liked this video. If you have watched the video till here, give this video a like and subscribe to Drama YT. And yet you guys have not followed me on the Instagram handle, which is right in front of you. It is called dramayt.k2. Follow me there as well. And I will see you later as always. Your K2. Love, peace and hugs. It's been a pleasure.
कभी आते जाते रास्ते में, कभी स्कूल के बस्ते में